Hello, Juliet. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary the other day. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as checking out this screencast with you and your guys' family. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out GI construction in your area. As you can see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google, and you type in Las Vegas construction companies, and I'll explain why I chose this keyword here in a second. Um, so I found out by if I make these attack plans, just give them away for free on how to get more leads and business through the internet, that some owners go out and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up giving me a call back. So whatever you guys decide to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal here is just educate you guys and give you some good information. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I see I have your guys' site pulled up right here. First thing I'm gonna go over is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here, because in their eyes, it's not only going to keep customers on your page longer, it's going to keep customers on Google longer, which allows them to sell these ads that they want to sell on this home page of on this first page of Google, or really on all the pages. You see they have ads right here. So Google's crawling these websites trying to find out who has the most authoritative content so they can put them front and center on this front page right here to just keep the volume and the traffic through Google. So it's very important having a lot of content on your page so Google understands and wants to put you right here on this front page. Because as we know, 70% of customers do their shopping on the front page. And equally important to content on this front page is keywords. So a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for business really. So Las Vegas construction companies, as we see, this gets 1,300 searches a month. So this is a very high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. So when people are typing this in, Google understands that they need to send them to your page. So what you would need to do is you want to add these high volume keywords on this front page of content. So when Google's crawling these websites, they know to send that traffic really to your guys' website right here. So the second thing I want to go over today is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they would love to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies at that. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other construction companies or contract companies rather than using like Pizza Hut sending power back to your website, because Google understands that you guys do not make pizzas for a living, so they won't really give you any power for that. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there that you can use. You don't have to use this one. But as you see, you guys don't have any referring domains and any backlinks, which means you guys' website isn't listed anywhere on the internet right now. And we can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using, and it's resulting in the amount of traffic you guys have here. So if we hop over to the competitors right here, the GI Construction, we see that they have 194 different websites sending out this website link. They have a total of 4,000 times about. And you see the amount of keywords they have here. And this is definitely beatable right here. This is not anything impressive right here, but this is definitely something we want to go after. So what we do for backlinks is we can click on this right here and we can see exactly what website that their website is listed in. And you want to come in here and you want to grab all of these for your website, because if they was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you see, like, this is a directory right here. So this is a free website. So you just come in here, create an account, and then drop a link back to your website. This is a blog right here. So blogs, you just gotta create an account, leave a little comment, and then just leave a link reverting back to your website. Very simple stuff here. With these two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section on the front page of Google between content and backlinks. If you want to be ranked right here first in this map pack section, like all these guys are, this has everything to do with citations. And citations are completely free, and it's anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 4 citations. So you guys are listed in 4 different directories, and GI Construction is listed in 45. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here and we can see exactly what directories these guys are listed in. And you want to go grab all of these for your guys' website. Every single one of these, you guys should be coming out here and then applying your business information to these, and then you want to go out and get more. So if these guys have 45 citations, I would recommend going out and getting 100 just to really dominate the game. So with those 3 tips, that's what's going to get you dominating this front page of Google on the organic listing as well as the map pack section. That's everything I have for you, Yulia. I try to be brief as possible. So quick recap, we went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content as well as some keywords in there, and then going out and grabbing those backlinks that we talked about, and then as well as grabbing those citations for you. So again, my name is Devin. My cell phone number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.